This tech tip is going to show you how you can create your own page template. So I like to have a page template with our school logo and our school branding. It's just something I've always done since I've been creating in OneNote. So in previous years, I've made it with a fade. I've just created this one in Word and then copied it as an image across, where I've made it go from dark to light so that you don't see the edge of the page, but it does sort of give you the branding at the top. Just needed to make sure we change the font to white. This year I've gone with it with the dark on this edge for the reason that I've made a landscape and a portrait one just in case we wanted to print it out for a casual teacher or any other reason, so that when we go print now, I've got it set up. If I choose portrait, it should all fit on one page. If I've used the landscape template, which this one's not, it would fit landscape on that page as well. So if we needed to send somebody our daily timetable and so on, we could print it that way. So once I've got my templates, I usually have a bank of templates that I keep somewhere for myself. You can then choose that template. If I'm mostly going to use that portrait one, and I'm going to go set as default template. So now whenever I go add page, it's going to use that new template setup that I've got. That's a handy tip that was shown to me by one of the digital learning advisors last year. So to create my banners and templates that I've done, in the past I've used Word. This year I went with Canva. So in Canva, I created a portrait and a landscape version. So I just used put the shapes there with my logo and so on, and use the shade, the gradient to shade it. And when I exported it, I just made sure that I downloaded it as a PNG and I had a transparent background. So then I'll show you what that looks like in my program, that I've got the top and the bottom of the page there like that. But if I was to put the grid line behind it, you can still see it through that page template that's there. So what I did, I saved that as an image from Canva, and then I have just set the picture as background. So all you need to do, once you've imported your picture, work out where you want it to go, line it up, and then just right-click on it and go set picture as background. Then if you are using any of my templates and you want to get rid of the annoying banner at the top, right-click, set picture as background again. You can see now it's got the image line, and then click delete, and that will take it away as well. So yeah, I have a few different templates that I usually go between that I use, but it just makes that branding school specific if you wanted to do that.